If your skin looks tired or older than your friends, it's not your age. It's one of the mistakes most women over 50 are still doing every single day. Let's fix this so you can look fresh, radiant, and confident starting today. Many women think washing more equals cleaner skin. That sounds logical, right? But over 50, overwashing actually strips your skin of natural oils. Those oils are what keep your skin soft, plump, and glowing. Without them, your skin can look dry, and fine lines appear faster. Stick to cleansing twice a day, once in the morning, once at night, and you'll notice your skin feels smoother, plumper, and more hydrated almost immediately. Believe it or not, doing less can actually give you more youthful-looking skin. After washing, moisturizing is just as important. Applying a good cream gently on your cheeks and neck helps restore the moisture your skin needs. A simple 2 to 3 minute massage with your hands can make your skin feel soft and radiant, almost as if it's breathing again. It's a small step, but it shows immediate results and trains your skin to look healthier over time. Even if you don't step outside much, sunlight still reaches you through windows, cars, and even screens. UV rays silently damage collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm. That's why wrinkles and dark spots appear faster than you expect. Applying sunscreen every day, even indoors, protects your skin from new damage and slows down visible aging. Make this a quick habit, a tiny step for you.
Stop these mistakes today and glow effortlessly. It's simpler than you think. Stop these mistakes today and you'll glow effortlessly. It's easier than you think.